Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to turn off swipe between pages in Opera Browser Windows 10 computer. So how to turn off swipe between pages in Opera Browser Windows 10 computer. Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, just go to Opera Browser on your computer or laptop. This is the Opera Browser display. Then move the cursor to the top right of the screen. Here there are lots of menu options. Then tap the three-line icon here. And a scrolling menu will appear like this and scroll down. And tap the settings menu here. Now here you are in the settings menu. Enter the browser menu. Now here you are in the browser menu. Scroll down to find the accessibility menu. Then tap swipe between pages. This feature is used to disable the swipe movement between pages in Opera Browser on a Windows 10 computer, thus preventing accidental page switching. So that's it, tutorial how to turn off swipe between pages in Opera Browser Windows 10 computer. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.